Numberblocks presents. Alright guys, this is another video. Oops. Anyways, you already know. But this is 2010. I'm counting backwards. 2010, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. Alright. So, let's start the video now. Alright guys, this pool is cool. Pool, cool. They both say ool, they rhyme. Indeed it rhymes. Indeed. Or I'm gonna stop. It's more better. Oh no, 0.5. 0.5 again. Why do I always have to do the 0.5s? I'm going in the pool. I guess we all want to go in the pool. Hey, 20, can you drive the thing for me? I'm going to go in my cabin. Okay, my crew cabin. Okay, bye. Alright, so 10 is downstairs. This is my new way to pretend Numberblocks are downstairs. I'm gonna go downstairs in my cabin right next to 10's. I'm gonna go to my cabin. I'm gonna go to my cabin. Whee! Ow! The ship is sinking! Guys, get out of your cabins! Oh no! The pool broke! We can't do this! No! Guys, we need to... We're so close to that place. I can see it. We're sinking. We're sinking. SOS, SOS, SOS. Oh my god, 20, get off. We're sinking. What? No! Oh my god, we hit a sea line. Oh no. The things on deck are breaking. Uh-oh. The boat tilted 1%. No. The boat tilted 1%. Uh-oh. You know what that means. Guys, get a lifeboat right now. One just teleported. A lifeboat just teleported here. So everyone go on that lifeboat, no matter what it takes to get on there. 6 passengers can go on a lifeboat. Or 5. Yeah, 6 6. 6 or more can go on a lifeboat. The lifeboat! Everyone's going on a lifeboat. You're impaling me. Oh, no, you're not impaling me. Hey, that's good thing I made them like this. Next lifeboat! It's taking so long. Why can't we just do it already? Oh my god, my head hurts in real life right now. Since of all of these alerts and alarms and everything. So much headaches coming towards me. Now only 3 passengers can come on the lifeboat. Oh, come on, come on. Ah, I'm being impaled again. Finally, I'm not impaled. Alright, the rest of the people are gonna have to go to the back of the boat. Because we're sinking very fast from that sea mine. Oh my god, it's almost on the deck. Get to the back right now. 7? We can't forget about 7 on these lifeboats. Alright. Ah, I'm being crushed. Everyone else goes in back of the boat. There's only 2 lifeboats. The boat is about to be done for. Oh no. Oh. I'm making a savior ship. It's not the bad word. It's like it's like a massive boat, but a ship. That's what I'm saying. Hey, boat! Yes! Lifeboat, 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 lifeboat. Yeah, we made it! Except 9, 10, and 20. 20 was my favorite dancer, and now he's in the water. Hey, this boat is crushing him. I can hear him. Alright, anyways, we're about to get there, so stay calm or we will crash. Yeah, we are making it. Yeah, we made it. Yeah, we made it to California. To California. Yes, we made it to California. Hey, let's bring these lifeboats in case this thing is sinking. This landmark sinks. Because we don't have ages. So, we're gonna be in the future. Alright, guys. Bye. Anyways, there's no description because I'm too lazy again. Alright, bye!